Lo mejor nunca se sube, al menos que en la radio salga esta canción. El truco. Hoy voy a darle paz a mi corazón, por eso me...
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Who did this? Who did this? Who did this?
By the neighbor. She said her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy?
Yo! The hell y'all making all that noise for? Y'all big as hell, boy. Y'all need to get a job or something. Stop paying these bills around here. All I'm saying is keep the volume down. It's me, bro. We ain't gotta take it there. All right, have a good day.